Disabling IPv6, how to disable IPv6 on Windows. Disabling IPv6 on Windows can help resolve certain network issues or improve compatibility with older devices. Here's a detailed guide. Method 1. Disable IPv6 via Network Adapter Settings 1. Open Network Settings, press Windows plus R, type .cpl, and press Enter to open the Network Connections window. 2. Access Adapter Properties, right-click on your active network connection, example Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. 3. Disable IPv6, in the list of items, locate Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Uncheck the box next to it and click OK. 4. Restart your computer, restart your PC to ensure the changes take effect. Method 2, disable IPv6 via Command Prompt 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator, press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. 2. Run the command, type the following command and press Enter, regad hkey _local _machine /system /current control set /services /pip6 /parameters /v disabled components /preg _dword /d255 /f3. Restart your computer, reboot your system to apply the changes. Method 3, disable IPv6 via PowerShell 1. Open PowerShell as administrator, press Windows plus X and select Windows PowerShell, admin. 2. Run the command, enter the following command and press Enter, disable NetAdapter binding name Ethernet component ID ms_pip6, replace Ethernet with the name of your active network adapter, example Wi-Fi. 3. Restart your computer, reboot to finalize the changes. Important notes, re-enabling IPv6, if you need to re-enable IPv6, follow the same steps but check the box, method 1, or use the appropriate commands to enable it. Compatibility, disabling IPv6 may cause issues with certain applications or services that rely on it. Monitor your network performance after making changes. Administrative rights, ensure you have admin privileges to make these changes.